never underestimate the cunning of a pirate. Or a fox, for that matter. Arg, you never stood a chance. Arg, I came for ye booty. That be treasure, you know. I can't run like I used to, but I can pull myself apart just fine. Arr, so much more spacious in here. I may stay a while.
That game was totally rigged. That's what you get for leaving me hanging. It's not my fault. I have these fat plastic fingers and can't press the buttons. Mr. Hugs got me again. If I get jump scared, you get jump scared.
You won't get tired of dying, will you? Where's my beak? Lodged in your forehead, of course. You won't get tired of my voice, will you? Let's go somewhere more private, so I can eat you. Don't be afraid. Soon you will look just like me. Beautiful. Now I get to play take apart and put back together. You won't feel a thing. I wanted to wait until just the right moment to drop in. It's so much more fun to eat out in here with you. He's here and always watching. The one you shouldn't have killed. I never thought I'd make it through that vent, but now we are together. Let me show you how to break your face and look like me. I was the first. I have seen everything. Come closer. Let's smile together. I have seen him, the one you shouldn't have killed.
Time to face the consequences of your behavior. Might as well face the facts you were always destined to fail. You blinked. What is this new prison? Is it me trapped or is it you? Perhaps it is us both. I may be missing my face, but even I could see his tongue.
Seeing you powerless is like music to me. I don't hate you, but you need to stay out of my way. I recognize you, but I'm not afraid of you. Not anymore. The others are under my protection. The others are like animals, but I am very aware.
I am remade, but not by you, by the one you should not have killed. No light can save you now. I have always been hiding in your shadow. What a gift to relish, a victim that can't perish. I am given flesh to be your tormentor.
Come closer. Help me count my teeth. You're not so big. Just a bite-sized morsel. You knew I'd get you eventually. There just isn't room in here for both of us. Flash that light on the right. It can't save you now.
Let me put you back together, then take you apart all over again. Let's see how many times you can be pulled apart. I assure you, I am very real. This time, there is more than an illusion to fear. We know who our friends are, and you are not one of them.
You will not be spared. You will not be saved. The shadow fears me. I am your wickedness made of flesh. I am here to claim what is left of you. I will a nightmare that you won't wake from. This time, death cannot save you. The nightmare is just beginning. Let's taste death again and again and again. I am the fearful reflection of what you have created.
It seems you couldn't make it to my show, so I brought the show to you. Show times are on the hour, not a moment before and not a moment later. It's time to take your final bow. I'm sorry, but there was never enough room on this stage for both of us. A performance was demanded of me, and now I have delivered. Encore!
I could hear you, breathing. Admit it, you wanted to let me in. Why do you hide inside these walls? Don't be shy. These are strange circumstances that have brought us together.
I bet you weren't expecting me, were ya? Turn your back for 1 second and I'm like, wazoo! Ninja skills. You and I don't get to talk as often as I'd like.